Okay. Good morning, class 8. Today our topic is factorization. The new chapter we are going to start, that is factorization of algebraic expression. Now, factorization of algebraic expression, what does it mean? Factorization means what? To express a number as a product form of each fact of the factors of the given number. Means I'm telling you with example. For example, say 16. For example, say 16. Okay. So 16. If I take a number 16. Now 16 can be written as a product form. It can be written as 1 into 16. We can write now. So this is also a factorization form. Now, how many factorization forms we can write? So that is 16 can be written as 2 into 8. Then 16 can also be written as say 4 into 4. This is also a factorization form. And 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That also can be done. Okay. Now, this 16, I have written couple of forms like 1 into 16, 4 into 4, 2 into 8, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So, these numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. These numbers are called the factors of what? 16. Isn't it? So these numbers, when we express this number 16 as a product of these numbers, product form of these numbers, then it is called factorization. So all these forms 1 into 16, 4 into 4, 2 into 8 or 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, all these forms are called factorization of 16. Understood? Okay. Now look at here. Among these numbers, this 2 is the prime number. Isn't it? 2 is the prime number. Now these two prime number can be, you see, now here 2 factorization, that is one is 2 into 8, another one is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So in these two types of factorization, the prime number 2 is used. But you see here 1, 2 is there, another one is 8. Correct? Now 8 is not the prime number. Correct? But here if you see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, all are prime numbers. This is irreducible. It cannot be reduced further. Understand? So this factorization is called the prime factorization of 16. Understand? Prime factorization of 16. Okay.
Now you see, already in between this, let me talk for one thing. So already we've been telling you all to submit the copies, no, in the Google Classroom. Then that copies, some of you, majority of you are of course submitting, and some of you are not submitting. Even the in elective advanced the review test that we have taken there also. Majority of it both in first section also in the section B also you are not submitting. Actually, now here you cannot say that sir I have submitted this and that because we have all the details. So what you do, submit the copies. Then it will help you actually. We will check it. Okay. So let us continue the class. Okay.
Now, so prime factorization you have understood. If I am not wrong, you have done this prime factorization in class 6, isn't it? In class 6, you have done this. So this is just a recall what is prime factorization is. Now, coming to the next topic is factors of algebraic expression. So here we got see 1, 2, this. After watching this factorization form, we got the factors, right? And the factorization form is what? Nothing but the product form of the factors of the number. Like here, factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So when we express 16 as a product form of these numbers, that is called factorization. And among those, when only the prime numbers are used in the factorization, that is known as prime factorization. Like here in 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is the prime factorization of 16. Got it? Okay. Now, factors of algebraic expression. Same thing. Same thing. I am just going through this one. One, consider uh, the term. Let us consider a term 10x square y. 10x square y. Now this 10x square y. Now the prime factorization, it can be in general, it is 10 into x square into y square. Sorry, y. Okay. Now further 10 can be reduced to 2 into 5. Correct? So that will come 2 into 5 into x square into y. Furthermore, this x square means x into x. So that can be written as 2 into 5 into x into y. So this is the factorization of this term 10x square y. Now what is written in the book you see, I am just reading this portion, factors of algebraic expression. Consider the first term of the expression discussed above, that is 10x square y. In how many different ways the term can be expressed as the product? Okay. In how many different ways the term can be expressed as products. 10x square y. So first of all, the break as I have broken this one as 10 into x square into y. So they are done with 10 into x square y. Therefore, 10 and x square y are two factors of x square y. 10x square y. Here 10 is equal to 2 into 5 and x square y equal to x square into y. So therefore 10x square y is equal to 10 into x square y equal to 2 into 5 into x square into y. What I have written here directly. Okay. I am putting this one equal sign and doing this way. Then again further they have break this one x square as x into x. So finally the factorization we are getting as what I have written in the board, 10x square y is equal to 2 into 5 into x into y. Understand? So that is the factors of 10x square y. That is the factors of 10x square y. We can write that is the factors of 10x square y are 2, 5x y. Okay. Now I have written x one time, but in your book it is written two times. Yes. Fact 10x square y. When we are telling about, that's why I have written one time. So individually, if it is asked 10x, what are the factors of 10x square y? Listen carefully. So if you write one time x, single time, 2, 5, x and y, is it correct or wrong? What is it? Huh? Logically it is correct. Logically it is correct. Okay. But at the same time, when you are dealing x is a factor. Yes. Other to no problem. 2, 5, y, that is alright. The confusion starts with x, isn't it? So if you writing single x, so that means x, only x is the factor of 10x square y. But x square is also a factor of 10x square y. So to get x square, we need two x's, isn't it? So that's why when you write the factors of 10x square y, 2x are generating here, so you have to write both the x. Understand? So that's why in book it is written like that, and that is the correct one. Understood? Huh? Okay. So this part, that means how we can factorize a term of algebraic expression I have told. Okay. Just simply putting the equal sign and break each number and algebraic expressions. Okay. And you can get the factors of that particular algebraic term. Okay. Now, these are the factors of 10x square y. Now, what is 10x square y called? Like 16, we are writing as 2 into 8. So 2 into 8 is the factorization form, and 2 and 8 are the factors of 16. Now 16 is called what? Recall what? Multiple. Yes. 16 is called the multiple of 2 and 8. Like here, 10x square y is also called the multiple of all these factors what is written here. Right? So it is simultaneously existing. When you are writing that these are the factors of this algebraic term, then that particular term simultaneously the multiple of those factors, each of those factors. Clear? Understand? Okay. Now, this is factorization. Now here in your book observation is given. So you go through this observation, what we have discussed through one example. Okay, page number 240 is there. 240, 241 combined. What we have discussed with one particular term, that is 10x square y. So they have discussed this one with the same term 10x square y, and step by step they have said they are asked to observe this one. So you go through this page, you will understand what is written over there.